stuck on Sue's walking path.
Flood of 2013.
So she goes down to Baker Creek Park.
God, Brenda and McKinnon now.
And there's the rest of her walking path by the Bull River right over it.
This is totally gone. That path is totally gone.
Bowness Park totally submerged. Canada Olympic Park in the gloomy
It's a shelter
distance.
now. It's a shelter.
It's a shelter for people, yeah.
I have to go volunteer, Shem. COP, taking some blueberry muffins. Let's make her a big pot of oatmeal. Okay, I'm heading back. Or do you want this case?
Okay.